All right, here we are with topic 6, lesson 1. Today we're going to be working with the distributive property of multiplication. So let's take a look at this picture here. You probably already see this, and what do you know this as? That's right, this is an array. So when we take a look at this array, what multiplication problem comes to mind here? That's right, you've got a total of 5 over here, and 4 up top. We're going across in each row. So we would say we have a 5 times 4 array. And we say, what is 5 times 4? Can you tell me what that means? That's right, you get 20. So we have 5 times 4 equals 20. Now, what the distributive property is going to tell you to do is to think of this array as more than one array. And what that means is, say we took that array and decided to cut it apart. And now we can see that we have different arrays. We have a 2 by 4, and here a 3, and of course 4. So our problem would be take that 5 and take it into a 2 and a 3. As we know, 2 plus 3 would be 5. And we would say 2 times 4 plus the 3 times 4. And would that get us 20? It would. It would still get us 20. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. And so now we see here that 8 plus 12 would equal 20. So the product of 2 times 4 plus the product of 3 times 4 is still 20. And all I did was take that array and put it back together, and we still have that 5 by 4 array. Let's try another one. What array do you see here listed for you? All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going across. And how many going down? How many rows do we have of 5? We've got 6. So we see a 6 times 5. And those of you that have been practicing your facts, what do you get for 6 times 5? All good. And let's count those up. 5. We could count it as 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We say we got 30 there. But what if, and I'll get rid of that line there, I told you that you needed to separate it, and you needed it to make that one multiplication problem into multiple multiplication problems and still get 30. Well, let's keep 5 in each row. All right, so now I'll take my line, zoom, and I like doing arrays because it's a nice visual for us to see this process. And now I've got 2 and 4. All I did was I took that 6 and separated it into 2 and 4. So I would say 2 times 5 plus the 4 times 5. And 2 times 5, real quick, what is it? 2 5s? That's right, that's 10. And 4 times 5 is 20. 10 plus 20 gets you that 30. Now, what if I said, here's my array. Figure out what array I'm making. Nope, not done yet. Making some nice swirly black globs. All right. And, I cut down the middle there. I had 4 here and 4 there. What did I cut my 4 going across into? 2 and 2. So I could say I have a 4 times 2 array plus, again, we want to keep that parentheses to show that product, a 4 times 2 array there. 8 plus 8, and I get 16 as my answer. My original one was 4 times 4. What I want you to do is work on, for today's lesson, is to take this 6 times 6, and I want you to make it into 2 multiplication problems that you would combine together to get the same answer. Good luck and be prepared in the next few minutes to share your answer.